Hi everybody, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. Welcome to April. Being the beginning of the month, those of you who have been with me for a while know that I offer card candy kits to my VIP stampers, and you become a VIP stamper simply by stamping with me, shopping with me, playing in one of my card candy challenges. I do a case challenge, and I also send out some product sampler kits to people who were VIPs last month. If you shop with the host code online, or if you shop and spend more than $150, you get entered. You can also just share and comment on my Facebook page, Pumpkin Hill Stampers, or you can send me snail mail, and you can find my address on my website. So, lots of ways you can enter. You don't have to purchase with me to play along. But this month, I'm highlighting the Happiness Blooms Memories and More kit, along with the Happiness Blooms Designer Series paper. And I'm tying in some sentiments from the Amazing Life stamp set. So just real quickly, some of the samples, now these would be the ones that I haven't put in the card kits to mail out to my customers. Some of these have like embossed imaging on it, so that one's pretty cool. Nice bright colors, double-sided panels. So you've got some that could be used in scrapbooks, or you could make them into cards. Now these are a little bit oversized from our standard card, but you can buy coordinating envelopes and card bases to go with them. Now this is some pieces from the Designer Series paper. Again, nice big bold imaging. I love the colors, nice and bold and bright. I thought this was great for springtime. Here's the back side of some of those. And then you also get not just oversized cards, but also note cards that you can do. And these have double-sided panels you can use as well, so I'll just flip through some of these, and of course it all coordinates together, and it all coordinates with the Happiness Blooms stamp set. So if you want to make quick and easy cards, you could get the whole bundle in the Spring Occasions catalog and just sit down and make a bunch of cards and be ready for all occasions for quite a while to come. Now, as you can see, the colors that coordinate in here are Call Me Clover, Calypso Coral, Lovely Lipstick, Night of Navy, Pineapple Punch, and Whisper White. So some of our new in colors, but also a few of our standard colors that have been around for quite a while. Okay, so I'm just going to put a couple quick cards together for you today, and then those of you who are getting the kits, you'll be ready to just go, go, go. So remember, when you play in the challenges, you want to create a card, snap a photo, and then you want to send me the photo in my email, and you are entered just like that in the drawing. Okay, so this one I've got some Pineapple Punch ribbon. I've got two of the cards that came in the kit, and as you can see, you're also going to get the coordinating Night of Navy envelope and note card, if that's the option that you end up with. Now I'm going to trim this ribbon down so that I can put a little bow on it. So I just need a little loop around the back. So I'm just going to flip this on over. As you can see, the back side is printed as well. But we're going to use this side that says, "Good luck, you've got this." It's going to be graduation season here before we know it. I've got some nieces and nephews who will be, I think, graduating this year. And so I know that I will be needing cute little gift cards, cute little thank you cards to send them. So just like that, ribbon and my front, and now I can slide this underneath and just do a really quick simple knot, just like so. Give it a little tug to tighten it. Okay, and you can let that slide around if you want to. And then on the inside I have this other piece. Okay, now you could do little blue flowers, but I'm going to do this piece here so that I can just leave a little note inside of encouragement, and it'll be fun with those polka dots in there as well. So look, see how simple that goes together? There's one. Alright, let's do another one. Okay, same idea, it's the note card size. Now this time I am going to put this fun little print on the inside because that's light enough that you could write or stamp a message over that. So just to add some detail to the center, I am going to use that on the inside. And on this one, it just says, "Thinking of You," right? It's all just blue on blue, monochromatic. So I think that's always a very elegant way of putting a card together. And it's going to look totally finished without anything extra, just 2 panels, the card base, and the envelope. So there we go. Easy peasy. Alright, let's do one of the oversized cards. Now this is one of the ones that's got this big print. It's already got a greeting on there. It says, wishing you all the best. Now, if perhaps you don't want to send a card that says wishing you all the best, I am sending some samplers, like I said, of expressions from the Amazing Life stamp set. So for example, this one has, good luck, I believe in you. You could just position that right over the top. No one's going to know. So you can make these cards any way you want. And if you don't want to make an oversized card, cut it down, put it on a normal piece of cardstock. That's fine. Or just cut the whole thing down. You can do that too. There are no rules in your cards, remember? Now this one's going to be just as simple as put it on the front and be ready to send. So here we go, nice big blooms on the front of our card there, right? The inside is white so you can put your message in there. And there's your envelope to boot. Alright, now this one, like I was saying, I've got that good luck to you from the Amazing Life stamp set. Now this one is just a nice, bright, dotted background. Alright, I'm sure we could do that with some of our sets, right? Or sponge daubers if you wanted to get really creative. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this bright ribbon around the bottom of my tag. So I just need enough to kind of wrap around the back. I'm going to cut off my little tail here so I can use that as a little tag on the front. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put snail just so I can tack that ribbon in place. Right, and this would be another great graduation card. Then I'm going to put a couple of dimensionals on the back here, just so I can pop this up on the front of my card. There we go, popping it right out. So can you see how quickly these memory and mores can go together? There's that. Again, I'm just going to slide this under, make a cute little knot bow. Tie it tight and it can move around, and then I just need to add snails to the back of this panel. Position this on my card. Right, and there's that one. So, in like what, 8 minutes, I've just shown you how quick and easy it is to put together 8 different cards, and the options are limitless with this bundle. You've got lots of options of putting them together, and if you marry it along with the Designer Series paper or the stamp set, you could stretch it even farther. So this is a great little bundle, whether you're a new stamper or an experienced stamper. If you just want something fun and bright and cheery to do and share, this might be an option for you. Alright everybody, so for those of you getting your kits, play along, send me your photos so you get entered into the end of the month drawing for the free shipping. I do that every month, and if you want to try the case challenge, go ahead. You can use anything in your collection to do that. It doesn't have to be current, doesn't have to even be Stampin' Up. Just create something for yourself. Alright everybody, I hope you have a great April. We've got Easter this month, and spring, hopefully weather will finally be here in the Northeast. So let's have a great month, let's do some fun stamping, and I'll keep sharing with you here on YouTube and then also on my blog. So if you haven't subscribed to the blog or the newsletter yet, hop on over to pumpkinhillstampers.com and get busy and do that. Alright everybody, have a great April, shop with me online, use the host code, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.